This factory processes 50,000 cauliflowers every single day.
From this tiny seed to that massive head.
The numbers on this machine are absolutely insane.
Drazim's not a spate. But there's one problem that could ruin everything.
This machine is the secret behind millions of perfect cauliflowers. Watch what happens when they hit this system.
It all starts here in these massive fields.
Bring it forward now, easy. Looks good from here. All right, set her down.
Every load must be secured perfectly for transport.
Keep coming back straight. All right, hold it. Stop right there.
From field to factory in under 2 hours.
Every single head goes through this intense cleaning process.
These brushes remove every trace of field contamination. Three separate rinses guarantee perfect cleanliness. Now comes the critical quality inspection phase. Each head is measured to within 1 millimeter accuracy.
Human eyes catch what machines cannot see.
What about this one here?
That spot is too big. Send
Yeah.
it to the chute.
Weight determines the final grading and price point.
Back it up slowly. A little more to the left. Only the absolute best make it past this point. This machine can harvest 50,000 heads per day alone.
Workers hand sort every single head during harvest.
GPS technology ensures zero crop waste in the field.
Ground crew, confirm visual. Stay clear of the mulcher. I'm bringing it around south.
Engage the forks. All right, take it slow, lift it up, steady now, clear back.
Bin changes take under 90 seconds to keep production flowing. Every batch undergoes rigorous quality testing before packing.
The density in the center cortex is significantly higher than the last sample.
I agree. Note the uniformity of the vascular bundles as well.
Final trimming ensures perfect presentation for customers. Every wrap is checked to guarantee freshness protection.
Boxes to change the cost, 卸货. Boxes are sealed and ready for final weighing.
Storage temperature is critical.
Keep it coming up. Steady now. All right, hold it right there. All right, bring it forward slowly. Little higher now, hold it. Okay, back a foot. Right there, set it down.
Real-time tracking monitors every single box in the facility.
Is this the organic cauliflower for Route 7?
Yeah, manifest confirms it. It goes to door 4. We got to move quick. That truck leaves in 30.
Harvest to delivery in under 24 hours maximum.
All clear to go.
This operation runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.